Coming up on WVUA 23 News, we have storms, some flurries likely, and colder temperatures on the way, all in the next 3 days.
Studio for a look at your weekend forecast. And Anna, can people expect freezing temperatures?
Yeah, Laura, definitely freezing temperatures are to come past our 7-day. We're looking below average. Our average low is 33 right now, so we're looking extremely below average. You can see we're at that lowest color temperature here, so we're looking below average, but not tonight. 40 degrees tonight. We're gonna have increasing clouds coming into the area, some wind gusts as well, so it's gonna feel pretty cold out there, but overall we're gonna warm up quite nicely into Sunday. We start getting those rain chances and storm chances into that 3 p.m. hour. We're going to continue that warm up into the evening. Now we're at a marginal risk tomorrow for that severe weather, and we'll keep an eye out on this for you guys and keep you updated as well, Laura. Well, we had beautiful blue skies across Tuscaloosa today. We're currently sitting at 45 degrees out there, a little bit of a breeze. It's kind of warm still out there, and we're not expected to drop off much tonight. 39 degrees in Jasper, 32 over in Talladega, a little warmer down in Montgomery, sitting at 37. Our cool spot up in Gadsden sitting at 30 degrees. So cool right now, but we're not going to drop off very much here in Tuscaloosa. We're going to have increasing clouds come through. 40 degrees, though, a little bit of a breeze will pick up through the night, and we're going to continue this warm up into tomorrow as well. 44 degrees by 7 a.m. and those clouds will stay with us. You can see we're going to be cloudy by that lunchtime hour, gusting up to 25-mile-per-hour winds coming into the forecast, 53 degrees, and by that lunchtime hour we're going to be at 57 degrees, and those rain chances and storms are going to come into the area. Now 57 degrees is not our high for tomorrow. We have a warm front coming through, and that's going to help aid our severe weather chance for tomorrow, but we are just looking at this marginal risk here in Tuscaloosa. Mostly just these high wind gusts expected, like I talked about, 25 miles per hour around noon, and those are only going to pick up. This is going to be one of those straight line events. We're not really expecting that severe tornado risk to happen tomorrow, but we're definitely going to keep an eye out on this because of those gusty conditions, and with what happened last week, this is a very similar thing that will happen to us. So you can see this straight line of band of storms coming through with these heavier pockets of rain in Mississippi around that dinner time hour, and that'll continue to push through Tuscaloosa into those evening hours and into the night as well. You see that starting to move across Alabama, and we'll just continue with that cloud coverage now. This is when we start seeing that change. That cold front will push all of those storms out of our way, and we'll start to see a few flurries out there, some snow in the forecast, and this is mainly just for Tuscaloosa and north, so lots of those flurry chances up there, but not so much for the more southern counties of Alabama. But you can see those pop-up flurries here and there throughout the morning on Monday, and you can see that here as well. Those flurry chances likely across that northern part of our counties. They're possible down in Demopolis and further south, but we are looking at those chances for more of the northern part. Now, if we track out those colder temperatures, you can see this warm front start to move through, and you can see those warmer temperatures coming in by that afternoon area. Those cold temperatures right behind it, though. This is where that line of storms will be following that low pressure system in the cold front, and that'll keep pushing, and that's when we start seeing those flurries happen. So we are expected to stay this way as well. We're expected to be in that below average and below normal temperatures according to the Climate Prediction Center for past our 7-day. So our average is 33 for our low. So we're expected to stay below that for the extended future. Like I said, that storm possibility tomorrow might bring us some severe stuff and those flurry chances in the morning on Monday. And then we're just going to be seeing really cold temperatures throughout the rest of that week. Some chances of wintry patterns on Friday, but we'll keep watching that. We're just expecting rain for now, but we'll keep an eye on those wintry patterns ahead. But overall, cold temperatures are on the way.
And Anna, some weather for us?
Yeah, we have some wild weather coming, Laura. We're seeing a little bit of everything, and that's just Alabama weather for you. We got hot and humid, possible severe weather and thunderstorms, to really cold temperatures and snow flurries to the more northern counties of Alabama coming up. So we're going to get colder, but we have some wild couple days ahead of us.
Absolutely. All right, well, that's our first show back for the year. Thank you for joining, and have a great night.